everyone, my name's Chef Nige, but everyone calls me Nige, so you already know you can call me Nige. Today we're going to be doing this super easy grapefruit frosé, so let's get into it. Taking our house wine, this is our canned rosé. Head over to my Instagram if you want to see a full review of this wine. I am going to open this up and spill it into a container, and we're going to freeze this overnight. In the meantime, I'm going to be making a grapefruit simple syrup. So I'm going to take some ruby red grapefruit and I'm going to juice this. Although this is a very easy drink to make, it does have a lot of components, so I'm just going to walk you through everything. After I juice about 2 grapefruits, I am going to strain that because I don't need all that extra pulp in our syrup. And as you know, grapefruits kind of lead on the tart side, so I'm going to add a little bit of honey just for a little complexity in the flavor. Onto our simple syrup. I didn't do a whole lot that's different from an original simple syrup, but instead of water, we're going to be using that juiced grapefruit juice as our liquid agent. Then I'm going to let the sugar dissolve and we're going to create a grapefruit simple syrup. And just to make sure you have that really nice smooth consistency, I strain it one more time just in case there's any sugar that didn't dissolve, and I'm going to set this in the fridge. So now our rosé should be frozen, and I'm going to add our rosé slush cube now to a blender. I'm also going to add 1/3 of our simple syrup and just a handful of ice. I'm going to blend this up, and once it gets nice and blended, I'm going to use another 1/3, so you're going to be using 1/2 cup of your simple syrup just to help with the consistency. It should be very easy to pour. That's when you know you're finished. Now for presentation, I'm going to take some grapefruit that I had left over and I'm going to rim the glass. You also could use the grapefruit simple syrup, and I'm just going to make a simple sugar rim, and I'm going to pour our now finished frosé right on top. Although the idea of frosés aren't anything new, we really elevated and took it up a notch, adding the grapefruit element. This is a really simple recipe, especially for the summertime. I hope to see you guys recreate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!